So this is the lion that I am going to be working on right here. It is a latch hook. This is the hook right here that is needed. It has a little thing on it that you need to wrap the yarn around. So you take your piece like this and you hold it between your fingers, and each one has a little slot. You put it in there like that, pull it, push it that it all goes through. Take your little piece of yarn and make sure you wrap it around the little hook and just pull down. And then I usually just tighten it like that. And then I'm going to follow the pattern here.
Thank you, Lord, for the rising sun, for the breath we take in the morning's glow, for the food we have when the day is done, for the love and light that continues to grow, for the stars that guide us through the night, for the dreams that help us see what's new. Lord, we raise our voices to your light. Let our lives be testimonies true. Oh, thank you, Lord, for another day, for every blessing, big and small. Our hearts